All right, since you're capoed for D, if I wanted to capo and use 145 for C, I would find my root of my C chord is on the 5th string. It's also my first finger on the 2nd string. So I move that up to the 7th fret because that's an E note. So I would capo the 4th fret, and my 145 would be C.F.G, and I would be in the key of E, playing E-A-B. So that might be, I don't know, kind of close to where you might be capoed, maybe a similar sound, but you could definitely get away with it depending on what part you play. So let's move on to number 2, and I'll kind of do the same thing. I'll keep it low, and I'll kind of do a little faster tempo. We'll do number 3. So down, 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 up, down, up, down, down. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4.